What's going on, everybody? Dr. Shane Samuel here with the Revive Spine and Sport Physical Therapy and Chiropractic Clinic. And today I wanted to go over 2 drills you're going to be able to utilize to be able to help yourself get some relief in your back with the foam roller, all right? So first drill we're going to do is actually more of a stretch. But what I'm going to have the model here do is he's going to lie flat on his back the long way with the foam roller. Once he's in the position, we're going to have him outstretch his arms. And now he's going to stretch his entire body. He's going to get more extension to the lower back, which means back bending. And he's also going to be able to stretch out the chest and arms. The second position we're going to do is going to focus more on myofascial release, something you may get from the massage, physio, or chiro. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have you take the foam roller, and we're going to use this for the upper back because we don't foam roll the lower back. He's going to protect his neck. And what he's going to do is he's going to find the area where he gets the most tension, and he's just going to roll over top of it. You can spend up to 2 minutes on the foam roller doing this type of a drill for relief. Thanks for watching.